Hello, Fempreneur. My name is Lindsay Berry. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out FemT Marketing School. What you will find once you pay your $1 inside the training is 4 modules. You will also find bonus Instagram challenges and all sorts of things in a very neat and organized fashion to help you check things off the list. And it'll walk you through all of the technology required to grow a niche following on Instagram and get many of those people over onto your email list, and only the right people, the people that you are meant to serve. So if this is something you need and you want it, grab it for $1, hop inside, browse through all the training. There's no way you're going to get through all of the action steps in 2 days, but you do have that 48 hours of access for $1. And then if you want to take things a step higher and you want to go further into this experience, which is what I recommend you do, you will be able to join the FemT Marketing School with other women like you who are working through the modules, who are doing all the things, and you will have that team to give you feedback. You're going to need a ton of feedback on the stuff that's in these modules. So you want to have a team of women who understand you because they are you. All right, so I'll see you inside.